So tell me, what tips can you share for entrepreneurs that are looking to make their first million in e-commerce?
Yeah, a couple tips is trying not to reinvent the wheel. I use an important method called reverse engineering. And what that method does is it reverse engineers different, like either products or companies or ads to see what's working out there and just make it better. So if you want to sell on Google, you go on Amazon and you look for unique products, okay? You don't want to sell products like phone cases, headphones, something you could find anywhere that basically everybody's selling, right? You want to find products that have a good profit margin and they solve a problem. That's the most important thing. They have to solve a problem. That way they have longevity and they're not just a trending product that you could sell for a short period of time. Usually I look at bestsellers, movers and shakers, most wished for, and new releases. And I scroll through and I look for unique products. And then what I do is I go on Google and I search for that product and look how much search volume it has per month. Anything above 30,000 searches per month, that tells me that this product is in high demand. After I see, the search volume and I notice, people want this product, then I go to Google Trends and make sure that the product is consistent throughout the year. If those two things check out, then that's a product that I would test on Google Shopping ads.